So derive the expression for potential due to point charge. So this is point charge. Q is a point charge. Consider the point charge producing the electric field. This one, because positive charge produces outward direction of electric field. Let A be the point at a distance x from the Q. So A is the point at a distance x from the Q. This is 1 coulomb. So 1 coulomb andre I will take for what? Q naught, unit positive charge. Hagadre work done is equal to what? So that is potential difference is equal to Vp. So this is potential difference Vp. This one is what? V infinity. So that is Vp minus V infinity is equal to work done from infinity to point P divided by Q naught. So what is the potential at infinity? The potential at infinity is equal to 0. This one potential at point P is equal to work done from infinity to point P divided by Q naught. Hagadre you have to calculate what? Work done to bring from infinity to point P. So first you have to calculate small work done. Hagadre small work done is equal to A to B. Hagadre small work done is equal to electrostatic force displacement cos 180. So this is a electrostatic force. So that is displacement dx is here. What is angle? That is angle is 180. Work done formula enaiti? Force displacement cos theta. Okay, force is electrostatic force, displacement cos 180. So that is cos 180 is minus 1. So but electrostatic force, Coulomb's law enide, that is Coulomb's law, we know Coulomb's law, that is Coulomb's force is equal to, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 divided by enide r square. So q1 place ali eshide, this is q1 is equal to q and q2 is equal to what? Q naught. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught divided by distance is x. So that is x square. So dw is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught divided by x square into dx. Hagadre that is total work done. Ellinda ellige? From infinity to what? Point P. Hagadre from infinity to point P, integration of small work done. So small work done is minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught divided by x square into dx. So constants nella ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿರಿ. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ, so that means outside from integration q naught divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So integration of plus 2 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? From denominator to numerator, that is minus 2. So formula is ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Integration of x to the power of n into dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. ಅಂದರೆ n is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? minus 2. So minus 2 ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? So x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ so minus 2 plus 1 ಅಂದರೆ minus 1. So this minus and this minus cancel. q naught divided by 4 pi epsilon naught x to the power of minus 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ from infinity to r. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ w is equal to q naught 4 pi epsilon naught, so minus 1. So denominatorಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ that becomes plus 1, infinity to r. So this one is called as upper limit, this one is called as lower limit. So that is 1 divided by r minus 1 divided by infinity. So 1 by infinity value is 0. So work done is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught divided by n ಉಳಿತು r. So put this value on equation 1. Potential point P is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ q naught is as it is ಇದೆ. So this q naught and this q naught ಏನಾಯಿತು? Cancel. So that is potential at point P is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. That is potential is inversely proportionality to the r. So this is the expression for what? Potential due to point charge.